Let's assume now that we have a function, capital F of x, that is equal to x squared for x defined in the real number. Now, the derivative of f prime of x, it's 2x. Now, let's ask ourselves the inverse problem. Let's say that they give us a function, f of x, and this is equal to 2x. We ask ourselves, can we find a function, capital F of x, such that f prime of x is the little f of x that we just are given? There exists this function? Now, the answer is yes. You know it from what we worked out before. The answer could be that the capital F of x, it's actually x squared. So we say that the capital F of x, x squared, is the antiderivative of the small f of x equal to x. You see here in the diagram, if we start from the capital F of x and we differentiate, we get the small f of x. But if we apply an anti-differentiation, or an integration as it's called, we get back to the original function. Now let's ask ourselves, is the only one that we can find the capital F of x? Well, the answer is no. In fact, I could choose f of x equal x squared, or x squared plus 1, or any x squared plus a constant c, where this constant is belonging to the real number line. This is because when I differentiate f of x as x squared plus 1, I will get, in all these cases, 2x, and that's it, because the constant is going to give me 0. Now, we say that x squared plus c, so the function x squared plus c that we call f of x, it's the indefinite integral of the function small f of x. It's the indefinite integral of the small f of x. And we actually use the notation that it's proper of the integral calculus. So the integral of 2x in dx, it's equal to x squared plus c. We call this symbol the integration symbol. It's actually a symbol that reminds of an S, and the S stands for summa, that in Latin is just the sum. 2x, it's the original function that we also call the integrand. Dx, it's the variable of integration. And c, it's called the constant of integration. The operation of searching an antiderivative, x squared plus c, of a function f of x, which is in this case 2x, is said to be the integration of f.